गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, नमस्ते, जय महाकाल और हर हर महादेव, जय माँ दुर्गा। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग ऑन दिस सैटरडे नाइट सैटरडे? इट्स रेनिंग हियर, इट्स अबाउट टू रेन, द क्लाउडी वेदर and the cloudy weather, there are clouds. I guess this would trigger heavy rain today. Anyway, so Bangalore and Mysore climate is like that. The moment the heat reaches, the mercury reaches 33, 34 degree, and it starts raining, and it pours. Not pours, but it rains. Pour would be a strong word. Continuing with what we discussed yesterday, let me just adjust this camera. And what we have discussed yesterday is about meditation. So meditation is just not, अगर मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूँ तो meditation or the sadhana, excuse me, is not just about just to close your eyes and sit somewhere and either get into meditation or starting stage, or just trying to meditate but not able to meditate. Basically, closing eye and sitting somewhere is, yes, it is an input for meditation, but at times people struggle to do that. So what are we trying to do today? In today's session, I would take you through a small concept of meditation from a seeker point of view and from a sadhak point of view. Seeker is someone who is in initial stages, in the beginning stages. कोई इंसान जो सिर्फ अभी एक दहलीज पर पैर रखा है मेडिटेशन की या योगा की, सीख कर रहा हूँ, मैं देख रहा हूँ. सीख मतलब कुछ चीज़ पाना चाहना जो अभी तक मेरे पास में नहीं थी. A seeker is someone who wants to get away from the stress, who wants to get away from all the pains and sufferings of life, and that's why he or she comes to a person like any sadhak, or to me, or to my gurus, or anyone who is teaching meditation. So a seeker, in an ordinary sense, meditation for him is to get away from the stress, focusing his or her energy internally somewhere and getting away from the stress, from the sufferings and pains he or she would have gone through. From a sadhak point of view, sadhak is the siddha, जिसको सिद्धि है, जिसको a person who is a sadhak, who is a self-realized person, who is a person on the verge of enlightenment, or already enlightened, or has a knowledge about what his role is on the earth. For him, meditation is a supreme bliss. Meditation is आनंद की अवस्था है, उसमें कोई duality नहीं है, good, bad, pleasure, pain, darkness, light. So एक सिद्धा के लिए जो मेडिटेशन होता है वो एक परिपूर्ण अवस्था है. It's a complete state of mind, complete state of bliss, when he or she is contained in the true self. What is the true self? मेडिटेशन में ट्रू सेल्फ क्या होता है? What is true self? What is pure consciousness? So I tell you, अगर आपने लॉर्ड कृष्णा या भगवान परमात्मा शिव पे थोड़ा बहुत कुछ पढ़ा होगा, if you would have gone through their about their who they are, so you would know they are our divine soul. वो आपके बहुत भीतर है, आपके कहीं ना कहीं अंदर भगवान शिव और भगवान कृष्ण. कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस बोलते हैं, प्योर कॉन्शियस. कृष्ण इज प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस. व्हाट इज प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस? So pure consciousness is the state of being conscious above the normal consciousness. For example, एक जो छोटी चींटी होती है उसका जो कॉन्शियस है, एक चींटी का मैं बोल रहा हूँ, फॉर ए स्मॉल एंट, फॉर हर कॉन्शियसनेस इज मे बी something which is visible to her like a particle of food. She is able to see and perceive that particle of food, maybe a piece of sweet somewhere. But if you put a billboard, if you put a signboard on a road, to reach or to see or to perceive, to basically see that signboard for her, maybe a superconscious state, beyond her imagination, beyond her control, beyond her reach, for which she has to go through ages to reach there and to see what is there. It's an example, please do not literally correlate with a small example of ant. That's how we are. When you and me talk as a human being, we are in a state of also unconsciousness. पता ही नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. आई एम नॉट इवन अवेयर ऑफ माई बॉडी एंड माई माइंड. कुछ भी थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, एन नंबर ऑफ थॉट्स आर कमिंग टू माई माइंड, और आई डोंट नो वेयर माई बॉडी इज, वॉट हु आई एम. So meditation is something which is taking you away from this body. First, you should be aware of your body, the body awareness. Meditation is when the 5 concepts of meditation, 5 important elements of meditation. Right food. Why? You would have seen a cow or a buffalo and a tiger, how they behave. A cow is so calm and composed. She just eats grass like very calmly. A tiger at the same time is ferocious. He is ready to attack anyone. He eats flesh. I am not saying, please understand, that someone who is eating flesh is ferocious. No, but for meditation, yes, when you eat sattvic food, the mind becomes calm. Right posture. Do you think will you be able to sit and meditate if you have physical issues, if your body is in problem? No. That's why we say, even in meditation retreats or meditation session, please do your yoga asana. If your body is not supporting you, if your body is not, if assuming Piyush's body, if I had some back issue, will I be sit and talk to you? Will I be able to sit and talk to you like this? No, I'll have to take support of the wall. Right posture, and right posture is gonna come when you take care of your body with yogasana. Right conduct means your conduct, your moral and the social conduct should be high. Non-violence, non-stealing. Oh, I'm talking about Ashtanga limbs here also. Ahimsa. Non-stealing मतलब किसी के विल के अगेंस्ट किसी की चीज कोई ले लेना, इवन कुछ गलत चीज सोचना कि अनऑथराइज तरीके से मैं कोई चीज हासिल करूं, वो भी एक चोरी है. ट्रुथ, सत्य बोलना. ऊपर तो देख रहा है ना भगवान, आप और मैं, हम झूठ बोल लेंगे तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा, एक ना एक दिन तो हिसाब देना है ऊपर जाके. The Chitragupta is ready with his debit and credit book next to Yum. That's what we believe in our messages आते रहते हैं फोन पे दूसरे. Distraction of mind, huh? But I'm talking to you now. Celibacy, चौथा जो है, how do I maintain the energy of my body? I need to take care of my body very well. सेलिबेसी का मतलब ब्रह्मचर्य। आई एम नॉट सेइंग ब्रह्मचर्य आज कलयुग में प्रैक्टिस करना ईजी है, बट ब्रह्मचर्य मीन्स हैविंग नॉट मल्टीपल पार्टनर्स to exchange your physical energy. I'm sure you understand. I will not use a strong word here. I'm sure you all are matured enough to understand what I'm talking about. अपनी बॉडी को किसी को भी सौंप देना, not just the energy but the fluids that you exchange, the bacteria and viruses that you exchange, the vibes and the auras that you exchange is very bad. Fifth, non-greed. To have ambition or to desire something is good in life, but to be greedy, it generates a lot of anger if you don't achieve what you want to. Have desires and dreams, have ambitions, plan for big things in life, achieve big things, but not to an extent where we become obsessive and greedy. Do you agree these 5 things will help? If you practice these 5 aspects, you will be able to have at least some control on your mind. Yes, because your mind will be calm and composed if you practice these 5 things. These are one of the Ashtanga principle, Ashtanga limbs, which I have spoken about to you. Patanjali has given a code of conduct. Our Rishi Munis have given a protocol, a strict, clear-cut protocol to follow before we even enter yoga. That's why we say yoga is for everyone. But not everyone is able to continue practice or to meditate for long run because their energy is not in sync with the universal energy. जो हमारे ऋषि मुनि, जो हमारे पितरों ने, जो हमारे पूर्वजों ने, ऋषि मुनियों ने, देवी देवताओं, भगवानों ने, या किसी भी रिलीजन के सेंट्स, बड़े बड़े जो सेंट्स हुए हैं, उन्होंने जो प्रोटोकॉल दिए हैं, हम उनसे डेविएट हो रहे हैं. सो कैन वी कनेक्ट विद देम इफ वी हैव टू बी लाइक देम? वी कैनॉट. I cannot think of doing PhD just after standard 10th. I have to have my graduation and the post graduation, then think about PhD. So these are small inputs. Please sit and think why I spoke all that and how it is connected to meditation, and we will get back to you tomorrow with more inputs on meditation. Basics need to be clear. If basics are clear, you will get into meditation automatically within minutes. Meditation is not an input. Meditation is an output. Meditation करते नहीं है, meditation हो जाता है. Meditation is not done. Meditation happens automatically. जय महाकाल, हर हर महादेव, जय माँ दुर्गा, जय माँ चामुंडा. नमस्ते.